When do you think the first mobile phone was invented? How old do you think those phones are?
50 years old. 30, 35.
Do you reckon you could turn them on?
No. Yeah. I've turned mine on. I got no idea how to turn this one on.
I got the big on button at the top.
You can help him if you like, Sam.
I got it, I think.
Plus.
Is yours on yet?
No.
Come on, boys.
Plus. I'll turn
I
it
don't
on.
know which button.
I know which one it is. Plus. I got it.
Have you got yours turned on yet, Ollie?
No.
Mia, can you help them?
Just click every single button there is.
It's hidden in the corner.
Thank you. Okay, this one's on.
Do you know how to answer it?
I think click C.
Can you take a selfie?
You can't.
Randy?
I don't think so.
Can you get YouTube?
No.
Can you find any games on there?
No.
There you go, boys. They're your new phones. You can take them home.
Can we?
Off you go.